Bear with me as I try to do this and hold the phone. Stuff's all new to me, but trying to figure out how to do all my YouTube creation stuff. Yeah, see? Didn't even have you in sight. So anyway, I'm just starting with the black. This is going to be my base on top of the spackle I put down. And you see, I don't care if I go out of the lines, because eventually he's got to have hair and not just sit there like that. So I want to just get a base coat black on there, and I'll go from there. I have to get one of those, selfie sticks or something like that. Things set up so you can watch as I create. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect on this, because the idea is you change it into your own unique art. So you can draw outside the lines. It's perfectly fine. I just want to get the white coated first. And then I'll go from there, because as you see, the background has a lot of black from when I painted it. And I really like the background. So now, just trying to add these woofs. Or the one now. Like you see, I'm like filling in his ear a bit. Here. Getting a little more realistic looking. But you don't have to. You can just follow the line. Okay. Okay, I'll be back when I get the black done. And then we'll move on.